If you own property in Texas, severe weather isn't a question of if, it's when. And when it happens, there's a professional most property owners have never heard of, who could mean the difference between a lowball settlement and a fair one. The public adjuster. Let's talk about what a public adjuster actually is, and why the insurance company hopes you never call one. First question, what exactly is a public adjuster? It's an insurance adjuster who works for you, not the insurance company. Public adjusters are licensed and regulated by the Texas Department of Insurance, and their entire job is documenting your property damage and fighting for the maximum payout. Your policy actually allows the opposite job description of the adjuster your insurer sends out. Second question, how is that different from the adjuster my insurance company sends? Your insurer's adjuster is paid by and answers to the company writing your check. A public adjuster answers only to you. They use tools like infrared cameras and drones to document damage, including water infiltration and structural issues that a rushed company adjuster might miss or minimize. Third question, can a public adjuster do everything an attorney can? No. And this distinction matters. Public adjusters don't practice law and can't give legal advice. If your insurer still denies your claim or lowballs you after a public adjuster's report, that's exactly when a Texas storm damage attorney takes over, building on the documentation they initially gathered, as leverage in negotiation or litigation. Fourth question, why do so many storm damage claims get denied in the first place? A few recurring reasons: exclusion clauses that leave out flood or wind damage, missed filing deadlines, lapsed premiums, or more troubling, an insurer operating in bad faith. That's the delay, deny, undervalue playbook at work. Delaying your inspection, denying based on a technicality, or undervaluing repairs your own contractor already priced out correctly. Here's a number worth remembering. With over 50 years of combined legal experience, our firm has settled more than 12,000 property damage claims and recovered millions of dollars for property owners across Texas. That's not a coincidence. It's what happens when someone with real leverage sits across the table from an insurance company instead of a policyholder alone. At StormLex Law Group, Flores, Manuel Pelaez-Prada, and Jake Rogiers represent property owners in Dallas, San Antonio, Austin, and every part of Texas and Oklahoma. When a public adjuster's report isn't enough to move an insurer that's playing games. If your storm damage claim was denied or underpaid, don't assume you're out of options. Call StormLex Law Group today for a no-cost consultation, and let's find out what you're actually owed.
StormLex Law Group, because you paid for coverage, not excuses.